are gonna make 빙수. 우리 오늘은 빙수를 만들어 볼 거야. Before we start, what should we do? 뭐 해야 되지?
Wash your hands.
Right. Did you wash your hands? 손 다 씻었어?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now let's start. 이제 시작해 보자. I'm gonna let you know what we need. 우리 뭐가 필요한지 선생님이 알려줄게. We need 200ml milk, 200ml 우유랑 condensed milk, 연유, and ice cube, ice shaping machine, frozen blueberries, frozen mangoes, and what is it? Yes, it's a tangerine. So now, first step, please pour the milk. Pour. Can you pour the milk?
Yes.
Okay. Pour. Good job. And add 2 spoons of condensed milk. 이렇게 연유 2스푼을 넣어주는 거야. Add 2 spoons of condensed milk. 1 and 2. 2 spoons of condensed milk. And please mix it. Mix. Now, are you ready? Okay, now please pour the mixture into a Ziploc bag. 이렇게 지퍼백에다 다 넣어줘. Right, so please pour the mixture. Pour. Good job, thank you. And now, please seal the bag. Seal. And put this mixture into the freezer until it's completely solid. 이거 완전히 얼을 때까지 냉동고에다 집어넣어줘. And it'll take about 5 hours. 한 5시간 정도 걸리더라고. Look at this. It is solid. So now smash out this mixture with something heavy. 이렇게 좀 무거워 보이는 걸로 이렇게 계속 쳐주는 거야. Can you do it? Smash
Yes.
out. Yeah, thank you. Wow. It's done. Now shape the ice cube with the ice shaping machine. 이제 이 아이스를 기계에다가 갈아줄 거야. Look at this. It is shaped. 이렇게 다 갈렸어. Okay, put them into the bowl. 자, 집어넣어. 넣어봐. Put. Okay, and put this mixture into the bowl. 자, 여기다가 넣어줄까? Wow. Now, look at this. Does it look yummy?
Yes.
Yes? I don't think so. 아직은 맛있어 보이지 않는데. And put whatever toppings you like. 너희가 좋아하는 토핑 아무거나 넣어도 되는데 today I'm gonna use frozen blueberries. Okay, can you put? Okay, put the blueberries and frozen mangoes. Please put the frozen mangoes. And I'm gonna use the tangerine. Can you peel the tangerine? Oh, yes, can you peel?
Yes.
All right, so please do it. Peel. What are you eating? Blueberries?
No.
No. What are you-
Mango.
Mangoes. Okay, so please use half. 이것만 써볼까? Okay, and poo. The other toppings. What do you want? Vanilla?
Yes.
Vanilla?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, so please let me get the ice cream. Put the vanilla ice cream here. Ooh. And it is the last step.
Yeah.
Please pour the condensed milk. Come on, can you do it?
What? I'm not gonna. Yeah.
Ooh, yes.
Poo.
Alright, wow, look at this. It looks yummy, doesn't it? 너무 맛있어 보이지?
Yes.
Yes, so enjoy it.